Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Lego Robots is probably one of the most engaging and educational toys for boys aged 8 to 12, seamlessly blending creativity, problem-solving, and the fundamentals of engineering. These sets offer a fantastic opportunity to nurture a child's passion for STEM, fostering their imagination and building essential skills for the future through hands-on construction and interactive play, making learning fun and rewarding. Number 5. Lego Creator 3-in-1 Underwater Robot. Get ready for underwater adventures. This amazing 3-in-1 set lets you build and rebuild 3 incredible models. First, construct the awesome underwater robot. It has flexible joints, a viewing dome, and cool mechanical hands. Then, transform it into a sleek manta ray, or a powerful submarine with a manipulator arm. The submarine is equipped to explore the ocean depths and uncover hidden treasures. It's ready for any underwater mission. Finally, build the impressive underwater crane, perfect for a treasure hunt. This versatile model offers endless possibilities. With 207 pieces, it's perfect for kids aged 7 and up. Combine it with other Lego bricks for even more creative fun. It's 3 amazing builds in one set. You can switch between the robot, the manta ray, the submarine, or the crane. The choice is yours. What we like. It allows you to build 3 different underwater creatures. This is great if you like variety and want to explore different building challenges. If you are looking for a fun and inexpensive way to introduce your child to Lego robotics, this is a great option. What people say. The 3-in-1 sets are great because my kids can decide which of the 3 things they want to build. He was thrilled it made 3 different models and immediately put one together. He likes the fact that he can create a robot and then if he gets bored with it, he can disassemble and create something new with the pieces. Number 4. Lego Boost 17101. Does your child love robots? This amazing kit combines building, coding, and fun, all in one. With 847 Lego pieces, it allows kids to create 5 different robots, each with unique features and functionalities. Vernie is over 10 inches tall and can dance, play guitar, and more. It's an interactive experience. It uses color, distance, and tilt sensors, making coding fun and intuitive for young learners. Kids can also build Frankie the cat, the auto builder, and the M.T.4, fostering creativity and problem-solving skills. It's an award-winning STEM toy that boosts IQ and encourages a love for science and technology. Remember, you will need a compatible tablet or mobile phone, not included, with BLE 4.1 or newer to use it. What we like. It teaches coding and robotics in a fun and engaging way. This is perfect if you want to foster your child's interest in STEM. If you are looking for an educational toy that will keep your child entertained for hours, this is the one to choose. What people say. Lego Boost compares really well to all other competing robots out there, so if you want your kid to know about coding, robotics, mechanics or technology, it's a really easy choice. The age range is spot on, 7 to 12 years old seems just right. You can build 5 different, intricate projects right out of the box. Lego included a huge assortment of great parts so that you can build a standing robot, a guitar, a factory, a cat, and a horizontal roverbot. My 7-year-old already spent 3 hours building the first robot and he was completely enthralled. I was especially impressed by the robot's head motion and the intricacy of the gears used in this model. The app has been fun to go through, but we're only partially through it right now. Number 3. BIRANCO STEM RC Building Kit. Get ready for hours of fun building and playing with this incredible kit. It transforms from a track racer to a tank, and even a robot. This isn't just a toy, it's a STEM learning experience. It challenges kids to build, problem solve, and learn about engineering. With 392 pieces, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create your own unique designs. It features 2 powerful motors and a rechargeable battery for up to 25 minutes of continuous playtime. No more constantly replacing batteries. Made with high-quality, durable ABS plastic, it's built to withstand even the most enthusiastic builders. All pieces are safe for kids. It makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's perfect for kids aged 8 to 12 who love to build and play. What we like. It features a remote control and 3 different build options. This is ideal if your child loves remote-controlled vehicles. If you are looking for a fun and engaging STEM toy with a long playtime, this is a great choice. What people say. The instructions were good, nearly as good as Lego itself. It comes in giftable packaging. The car itself comes with a rechargeable battery, but the remote requires AAA batteries. I love the fact that the car has tow motors. Each side of the car is controlled individually. You can turn the car right or left. Really an awesome toy. My 4 and 8-year-old kids had a lot of fun putting it together. It was a great afternoon project for them. It took them maybe an hour and a half, but they played with it for quite a while after building it. Instructions were easy enough for my 8-year-old to understand, and they built it without any supervision. The remote worked well to control the vehicle, and everything was moderately easy to assemble. Number 2. Lego MINDSTORMS F331313. Get ready to build, code, and play with the amazing Lego MINDSTORMS EV3. It's a fun and educational way to learn about robotics and programming. With over 601 pieces, you can construct a fully functional robot. Watch it walk, talk, and even play games. It features the intelligent EV3 brick, servo motors, and sensors. Connect it to your smart device and use the free app to control it. This set comes with instructions for 17 different robots, each with unique abilities. Program it to talk, walk, grab, and more. It's compatible with all Lego sets, so your creativity knows no bounds. Explore endless learning activities and build your own robotic creations. The main robot, SPIK3R, is a mighty machine standing over 16 inches tall. Prepare for an epic robotic adventure. What we like. It offers 17 different robotic designs and advanced features. This is perfect if your child is ready for a more challenging building experience. If you are looking for a comprehensive and educational robotics kit, this is the best option. What people say. Upon opening the packaging, you quickly realize that the outside sleeve is a course for the robots that you are going to build to navigate on. It's a nice feature, and a good way to include something like this. The Lego programming method is extremely easy to use. It's a graphic system where you drag and drop blocks that serve as the commands, and then in those blocks you change settings in order to change what the robot will do when it reaches that portion of the program. The building part is easy because of my son's prior Lego building hobby, but he's learning more advanced programming of the robots he's building, and he's doing a lot of research on how to hack the system to make the rotations go from 360 to 720, I think, which is a doable hack because Lego has a program for it called EV3.14. Number 1. Lego MINDSTORMS Robot Inventor. Get ready for hours of fun and learning with this amazing STEM kit. Build, code, and play with your very own remote control robots. It comes with almost 1,000 pieces, including motors and sensors, so you can create incredible robotic inventions. Let your imagination run wild. It's easy to program it to do all sorts of cool things, like shooting missiles, playing ball, or driving around. The possibilities are endless. Once you've built your masterpiece, share it with others online via Lego Life. Show off your skills and inspire others. It includes a rechargeable battery, so you can start playing right away. No need to hunt for extra batteries. It's compatible with other Lego sets, like Lego Boost and Droid Commander, so you can expand your robotic adventures even further. What we like. It includes almost 1,000 pieces and advanced sensors for complex builds. This is perfect if your child loves a challenge and wants to create their own unique robots. If you're looking for a highly engaging and expandable robotics kit, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. This is the first Lego kit I bought that didn't come with paper instructions. Instead, I used the MINDSTORMS app to build and program the robots. Pretty interesting. So far I only built the buggy, and that was fun putting it together. This is a great intro into robotics, young and old. Lots of unique pieces, precise motors, and lots of room to customize, as you should expect with Legos. All I've noticed are improvements, especially considering how much smaller the intelligent brick and motors are. I also love how it has Bluetooth and it can be programmed on my computer or phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.